Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now by opening Settings and locating the network area. This is where system-level data reports live. Once done, make sure any VPN is off because VPNs hide per app counts. Tap Cellular, Mobile Data, or Network Usage. The label varies by OS, and glance at the summary to confirm the time frame. You want the device to report local app traffic rather than carrier totals. This step unlocks the app-by-app list you'll use next. You now scroll to the app-by-app list and sort by data to see the biggest consumers first. Tap an app to reveal foreground versus background usage. This explains why some apps burn data in the background. If numbers don't match your bill, reset statistics or adjust the billing cycle dates to align with your carrier. Make sure to check both cellular and Wi-Fi sections because some platforms separate them. This granularity shows what to restrict or uninstall. You finish by taking action. Restrict background data, enable data saver, or remove high-usage apps to cut consumption immediately. Once configured, monitor daily and set alerts with a third-party monitor if you need real-time warnings. If your device totals differ from your carrier, restart the phone, recheck the cycle dates, and compare again. Carriers may report with a delay. If problems persist, toggle network settings or contact your carrier with timestamps and app names for resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.